will now take place on the 2nd of December. So Mahayuti government 2.0 that is set to take oath in just days from now. On 2nd of December, the oath taking ceremony will take place. Let's go across to Alisha, who's getting us the lead. Alisha, that is a big news break, of course, oath taking in just days from now on the 2nd of December. But do we still have, an official statement on who exactly is going to be leading the Mahayuti government next?
Well, Samiksha, we know that from our sources that it has already been deferred to 2nd December is what we have been told from our sources, that the oath ceremony has been deferred to 2nd of December. But the Mahayuti meeting has also been scheduled on November 29th because Devendra Fadnavis, who has been traveling, and but important to know that the Shiv Sena is very much adamant for the chief ministerial post, because many of the Shiv Sena has clearly mentioned that it should be Eknath Shinde who should be the chief minister. He should continue his term as the chief minister, and this is after where the statement from the Shiv Sena Netas clearly mentioning that the Mahayuti has backed with the huge victory because of the Maji Ladki Behan scheme, which has actually paved the way for Mahayuti victory. So it should be Eknath Shinde who should be the chief minister of Maharashtra. But on the other hand, it is BJP clearly stating that the Devendra Fadnavis will be the chief minister, and it is but obvious where the BJP has the largest number of MLAs, and they have got 132 numbers, so which BJP is the largest party, so the chief minister should be from the BJP, and Devendra Fadnavis should be made as a chief minister. But yes, the final decision will be taken from the High Command in Delhi, where the meeting is still expected. But what we have been told from our sources that there will be two senior union ministers who will be flying down to Maharashtra, and there will be a meeting most likely on 29th November, where Mahayuti along with the caretaker chief minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar, and the senior leaders from BJP, Shiv Sena, NCP and the union minister will be present in the meeting, where the final phase of the chief minister will be discussed and announced, is what we have been told. Well, the oath ceremony will take place at the Vidhan Bhavan, and most likely it is on 2nd of December.
Yes, Alisha, just stay with us. Let's put out that news break that you are mentioning on our screens. It's Shiv Sena that is adamant on the top post. Shiv Sena leader Dharma Shiv, who says that the chief minister post belongs to the Shiv Sena. Alisha, if you can once again give us more details on that. The statement that's now coming in from Dharma Shiv, who says that the CM post belongs to the Shiv Sena. Alisha, if you can hear us, if you can give us once again those details coming in on the oath taking